This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Holy f***.
Wow, loco, ¿en serio? Ten cuidado. What the
Jesus! Are you
classic surgery of the clinical no comes across got back to these twists times in the back then you look at get no score. I'm very similar when we did the World Cup final with John so wasn't John yeah. Well, right, the first thing, to tell you how extraordinary this is, I'm going to tell you that I played the commander in the game, right? The commander in a team from Russia as Arnavo. I never had that.
The passive indexes, and you had a comment that really illustrates that pretty well in the financial sector.
And they like to warm up. And so they move, first of all, they do the Y crew, which is the dance that they do before they start. You know, if you've ever seen it live, you know they play the music and they go through this. It's like a combination of stretching and then loosening up, and they have a bunch of different things that they do. And part of that is a warm-up exercise.
Oui, pas de TV, rien, là. Ouais. Et Tom a aimé ça. Tom, il a aimé ça. Wow.
Connard!
Il nous a pas vus!
Ouais, non, il a jamais regardé.
Hey, on a failli avoir un accident, là.
Êtes-vous correct?
Ben, oui, là, on est un peu shaky, là.
So that's why I was like, you're like dictating to me when you're like literally known.
One way.
Babe, you love this, don't you?
One way. This is a one-way street. I don't care, walk. No, this is a one-way street. This is a one-way street. You can't go this way. No, this is one way. I live in this house. This is a one-way street. So go around the block, man. You can come out over here. You're going the wrong way on the street. Listen, I have kids. So pull over and walk. Pull over and walk. So go the right way. Turn around. Turn around. I'll stay here too. That's fine.
Do it, bro. I hate when people drive slow.
Thank you. Turn around. Then walk, and then turn around and go. So get out, walk, and then go.
el celular.
Please leave your message for
¿Ya? A ver, otra vez. Ay,
Oh my god, look at this guy.
¿Qué pasó?
Oh my god, he just...
I know.
What's going on?
What happened? You need to go
He's
back.
He's crazy.
Oh my god.
He's like drunk.
No. Go back, David.
No, go. There's some drugs.
David.
Did you record that?
Yeah, I got it. On camera. Oh my gosh.
Just feels like I'm in a prison. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus! Oh my god!
That's what you get. That's what you get, asshole.
Oh my god!
I got that on dash cam.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Bro, what I shot Reddit, dude? Oh my god!
Does that
Yeah,
like record it or save
No.
it?
That just locked it. So I've got that clip now.
¡Hola, verga! ¿Te tocó? No. Se pasó de verga. ¡Pinche imbécil! ¡A la verga, güey! No, sí se pasó.
Yo, Luís, não ouviste nada dele? Ih, caralho! Caralho, pá! Que coisa!
Que foi?
Big accident right here, right in front of me. Because this guy wants to act like a jerk.
Oh, valha Deus. Tem cuidado, filho.
Do with that it doesn't fit me, and what could I do with it that can make it new, or what, you know, I don't know. I like the blank page.
Wounded or at the fronts. Lenin and his party then will have to board a ferry and go by boat for a little bit, and then get back on another train. The train will then arrive in Petrograd, formerly St. Petersburg, the Russian capital, just before midnight on April 16, 1917. There will be a crowd waiting to welcome him because, like many other dangerous radicals, Lenin is coming home from exile.
What the is happening? Hello?
Nice. Solid start.
Welcome to the y.d.e Prophecy News Podcast with your host and Bible teacher, Jeffrey Grider. Rightly divided. Hopefully. You don't say that. Ah! What? What happened? We were almost hit. Hopefully. You don't say that. Ah! What? What happened? We were almost hit.
say per 30 minutes. That's pretty good.
I love Jim. The guy that can't stop getting raped from Fond du Lac.